Introduction to Immune System. Learning outcomes. At the end of the session, you should be able to discuss the basic concept of immunology, describe the function of immune system, and describe the types of immunity. We all get sick sometimes, but then we get better. What happens when we get sick? Why do we get better? The Latin term immunis means exempt, referring to protection against foreign agents. By definition, the immune system means the integrated body system of organs, tissues, cells, and cell products that differentiates self from non-self and neutralizes potentially pathogenic organisms. The immune system consists of innate immunity, or natural or non-specific, and acquired immunity, or adaptive and specific. The immune system is a network of cells, tissues, and organs that works together to defend the body against attacks by foreign invaders. These are primarily microbes or germs, tiny infection-causing organisms such as bacteria, viruses, parasites, and fungi. Because the human body provides an ideal environment for many microbes, they try to break in. It is the immune system's job to keep them out, or failing that, to seek out and destroy them. The immune system is amazingly complex. It can recognize and remember millions of different enemies, and it can produce secretions and cells to match up with and wipe out each one of them. Our immune system is not only combating pathogens, but they are also responsible for destroying cancer cells, involved in allergic reaction, and can cause organ transplant rejection. Levels of defense against infection. Our immune system consists of 3 lines of defense. The first line and the second line of defense are categorized under non-specific immunity, whereas the third line of defense is categorized under specific immunity. The first line of defense consists of skin and mucous membranes. The second line of defense consists of phagocytosis, natural killer cells, inflammation, and fever. And the third line of defense consists of cell-mediated immunity and humoral immunity. Self and non-self. The key to a healthy immune system is its remarkable ability to distinguish between the body's own cells, which is considered as self, and foreign cells, which considered as non-self. The body's immune defenses normally coexist peacefully with cells that carry distinctive self-marker molecules. But when immune defenders encounter cells or organisms carrying markers that say foreign, they quickly launch an attack. Anything that can trigger this immune response is called an antigen. An antigen can be a microbe, such as a virus, or even a part of a microbe. Tissues or cells from another person, except an identical twin, also carry non-self markers and act as antigens. This explains why tissue transplants may be rejected. In abnormal situations, the immune system can mistake self from non-self and launch an attack against the body's own cells or tissues. The result is called an autoimmune disease. Some form of arthritis and diabetes are autoimmune diseases. In other cases, the immune system responds to a seemingly harmless foreign substance such as a ragweed pollen. The result is allergy, and this kind of antigen is called an allergen.